At least it never takes too long to get back to where I was. What's that? It's a wub. It's a wub. How easy! After everything we've been through, you throw that at me. Oh, what is this? Which one do I want to go on? Middle one. Oh, it doesn't matter. Oh, fuck. I mean fart. Oh! How am I supposed to... What do you mean, how are you supposed to? What an idiot. Ah. Ah. Fuzz. Oh, what? God. What a dodgy game this has become. But I'm just too good, as usual.
Hey, welcome to my shop.
Hi.
What can I get you?
Everything.
I'm looking for Drek. Sure, yeah, I got lots of stuff on sale.
No.
After the bombing, no one is around to buy anything. Are you okay? Low prices? Oh, you bet. I can make you a deal on a busted turburator,
Thanks.
a mangled carbonizer, or I got this info box.
Is it free?
That bombing was pretty loud, huh? Oh, you're one shrewd negotiator. I'll tell you what. I can let this infobot go for half price.
2,000. I might finish to insanity someday. I just don't feel like going through half an hour of game again to get to where I died.
That's about it for me.
Because that game's stupid.
Well, you're complaining. I gave you a great deal. Sheesh.
Shish kebab.
Afraid to go out at night? Afraid to go out during the day?
Yeah.
Just plain afraid?
Yeah.
Then you need this. The
Oh.
Ultra Mech Unlimited.
No.
This mech is the ultimate in personal defense system.
I'm afraid of that too.
Strength is now taking pre-orders. Get yours before it's too late.
Oh, death. A kid's
That's
game.
what I call serious firepower.
Bang.
He's gonna be jealous if he sees this.
Don't strangle it. Don't put it up your arse. Where did you go? What a crappy made game. Where people just despawn when you're done with them. There's a door. It's not a door. Maybe he went through the... Hello? What an idiot, Paul. Turn it into a... What just happened? Oh, now it's a shortcut. I'm going to the upper city, bruv. Because what's up there? Oh shit. A lot of level. Go away, light. It's the middle of the bloody... I can't tell. I'll probably stop the stream after I'm done with this level. Just so you knows. Die! Oh, what? Hacks. And stuff. It's not very fair, that isn't. Oh, don't miss all that. Juicy. I see a spawner. So go away. Ow! Oh well. I came into this with no health. Can you just die in one rocket? No. Of course you can't. That would make the world easy. Bop! Bop! coming out of the floor! Oh no, they're not. They're coming out of the spawny bobs. That was probably bad timing. No, it was fine. No. Arse. I'm just gonna not get seen. Oh look, how did that work? Yum. Ladder or rubble? The ladder, because it's the only one that goes somewhere. Oh, Metal Gear Solid, a favourite already. Oh my bloody god. Ah, Tomb Raider 2. As in Tomb Raider as well. Not Tomb Raider 2. Yeah, whatever. Alarmatage. Oh. Oh, yes. You should probably see me. God. Thanks. About bloody time. The easiest stealth in the known universe. Ow. Where do I go? Oh, hello. Yoink. As in oink. You calling yourself a pig? Maybe. Is that shootable? No. No, come back. Oh. Hurry up. Oh, what? Don't hide such a thing. Well, ain't this room gonna be easy? Yeah. Ooh. And then I can just go. Oh no, there's more. I'll get caught up in the crossfire. Oh, there's some health there. Oh, for fuck. Whatever. I don't care. Yeah, it's this again. Super deluxe, bloody high tech, useless That was easy. Oh, that was almost speedrun material. What do you mean, these checkpoints? That's the whole point, there are no checkpoints. God! No, I suppose there are. A sorry excuse for checkpoints. Right, just don't get seen this time then. Yeah. It's just so easy when you're rushing. It's like the game is easier for speedrunners. I needed that. I caught it! Oh, skill. You don't get much more. I see a thing that I want. Yeah, just leap off into danger then. Oh, fuck. What was that? What the penis cakes? Get up! Oh. There's really nothing wrong with HD remakes. If you don't want it, don't buy it. It's just for people who like that kind of thing. We're going to speed run this time, because you can get it from all the way over there, that's fine. Noob! Oh no. Oh well. Oh fuck! Oh, you know what, I'm leaving it there. I can't be arsed. I've lost patience because I should be in the hospital dealing with my patients right now, and I've lost them, as in they've died because of this game.